Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. I'm going to talk about ticker symbol BBBY. Such a volatile day, I would say, because you can see that the stock was up 92% and after our down another 36%. Look at the chart today. Nothing happened. Then around 12 p.m. it started picking. It went all the way towards 6.7 and now after our 3.7 from 6.7 to 3.7. Anyway, I'm going to talk the chart, the support, resistance, the option chain activity, the short interest, why it came down, so many things. So hopefully you will like this particular video. And if you've made some money today with BBBY, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Okay, so it's very volatile. I'm going to talk about this stock a lot, but we also did some good plays today. I would say ticker symbol SO even for 29%. Look from the support resistance, then AI 13%, ACCO 39%. Even with AMC, when BBY was running BBBY, we played AMC because we know it will run. So anyway, it was a very good day. You can see some big moves here we caught today. And based on our entry high of the day, it was a good one. Even with the option, we nailed with 82%. So if you want to get access to my private community, please go to patreon.com/the stock analyst. I will leave the link in the first comment, also in the description box, so that you can join and get access to our Discord. For each morning we give support, resistance, profit target, and we can all make some money. So first of all, if you look at BBBY, the volume was 264 million. Whereas the average volume is 105 million. Lots of volume came, it makes sense. The option chain activity, if you look at the option chain activity, 4 strike, so many call option. Now they are in the money, even 5.5 and 6, lots of concentration here. Even in terms of the volume, if you come down, you can see volume came back. But why it came down? Before that, if you go to Ortex, the short interest is 46%, which is very high. So nothing changed in last 2 weeks. Nothing changed. You can see that the short interest almost going sideways. The utilization is 100%, meaning that there is no shares available to short. But the cost to borrow 323%, insane. Whoever is shorting, they are paying a lot of interest. So that is why this stock can always have the potential to move really big. So this morning it started moving, and I think when it was around 3.6 or $4, we spotted this first time, right? We spotted this first time, and since then we have been tracking. We took some profit around 4.78. Where is it? Oh, up here, right? We took some profit here. I will show you why. We took some profit. It came down, went up, came down again, went up, and then 4.7, the blue line, it make it a new support, which is good. When a resistance becomes a support, this is really good. Then it went to 5.5, it went to 6.6, even 7, then it is coming down. Why it is coming down? First of all, most probably you should already know that this offering, right? So after our, they did up offering to raise 1 billion. It makes sense because this company is struggling. They need cash, they need money to stay alive. So if it went up and they did some offering, it makes sense. So that is why I always say take some profit. On my Discord, I think many times I said take some profit, because this is the time you should take some profit, leave some. So if you look at a 1 hour chart, the blue line here, right, 4.7. Why I said 4.7? The previous resistance was 4.7. Resistance here. So we expected 4.7 as the resistance. It worked, right? It came to 4.7, came down. Also, we looked at 5.5 as another resistance. It had some struggle here. Now, if I zoom out here, you can see that after 5.5, we have some area all the way to 6.6 area, and then definitely something around $7-8, maybe $8, but the momentum is killed because of the offering. So how can you play this? Because even, let me show you how you can always make some money. If you remember, recently this thing went up, came a lot, right? Because they talked about bankruptcy. I think this is the candle I'm talking about. It was here, came down all the way to 2.08. I was talking about 2.08 because that was a gap fill play, right? If I just turn off, let me show you. there was a big gap. So when it was falling, I was talking about if it comes to 2.08, I think that was the number, it came and bounced. Sometimes you see overreaction, it comes down, then goes up. Same thing, you can see it went up a lot, right? After a while, it came down, but it doesn't mean that it can go up. So that is why it is very important to know support, resistance, and price action. So let's go back to 3-minute chart now, and you can see that came down to 3.9, and again such a wild move from 3.9 all the way to 6.2, 57% move. Then maybe someone caught here, they thought it's going to the moon, then it came back even more, 60%. So very wild. If you're playing this kind of a stock, you should have a stop loss. If you're day trading or if you're swinging it, you know what you are doing. So anyway, it might come down, who knows, it might come down all the way to 3.3 and maybe 3.1. So currently it is sitting at, let's see, it is sitting at 3.6. Why I'm saying 3.3? Because if I draw a line here, which was a support today sometime, 3.3, and then if I just see another line here around $3, which was yesterday's low. So 3.3 and 3, these are the one we want to see. The momentum was there, just the offering killed it. Even BBBY, we also played AMC because when it was moving, we keep an eye on AMC. That thing also exploded, went and halted. We looked at CVNA, everything was running at the same time from 13.2 all the way to 14.2. Then Silvergate, that's the one, I guess, Silvergate. Another stock with 74% short interest. You should know about this stock. It went a lot also. And by the way, APRN is the other one, our swing trade, I think from Pro Trader from 0.9 to 1.5, 50% profit. So anyway, let's go back to BBBY. Goes up, comes down. So let's have a base here. So pre-market tomorrow again, we will find a support. We will see at what price point we should enter. Many people on our community made 76% profit, 80% profit. But anyway, tomorrow you can still make the money. If play the bounce play, you can still make the money. Okay, so that is why it is very important pre-market to come up with a plan. And this is what we have been doing each and every day. Like you can see 9:21 p.m. Come up with a plan. What's the ticker symbol? What are your entry point? What is your exit point? You can make money. And every day I show my result just to show you the move, right? You see the green color, the move here, right? The day previous, even today, the move, SECO, PBAI, all of them move, right? We caught some good moves from our entry to high of the day. We also have an option trader now, and he is doing really, really good. His accuracy is awesome. He's making money. We have pro trader for swing trade, for day trade. They have been doing it really, really good. And if you want to join our community, I would say again, visit my Patreon site and join what you want. We have a stock plus option. Even few people are VIP because they can get email alert. They can talk about anything with me. So anyway, let me know your thought about BBBY. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.